How to add low power mode shortcut to iPhone Control Center. To get started, first of all, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Once the Control Center is open, tap and hold on an empty area. This will activate the edit mode, causing the icons to reveal customization options. Now, tap on Add a control in the bottom. A list of available controls will appear on the screen. Now, simply tap on Low Power Mode from the controls. You will see the mode is added in the Control Center. Tap on the battery icon to turn on Low Power Mode. A notification will confirm that it's on, and the battery icon will turn yellow. Low Power Mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily add low power mode shortcuts to an iPhone Control Center.